For users of myService Pro and myService Apprentice who use Apple mobile devices like the iPhone and iPad, myServiceForce has an iOS application. To get the iOS app, simply go to the iOS App Store, and then you can search for myService Pro, myServiceForce, or simply MS Pro. When you search for the application, you'll find it, and you just want to download it. It will install, and once it installs, which typically takes a few seconds, you'll tap Open. This will bring you to the login screen for the application, and within less than a minute, you can be up and running. Once installed, the user can enter the unique login information, logging in, synchronizing, and retrieving any work or assignments for the given time period. The user can navigate through the various screens of the application using either a pull-down menu or by simply tapping on the screen and swiping through the different screens of the application. Like with most applications, the user can scroll down through screens to see all the content of a particular page, and there are buttons throughout the application to allow the user to communicate statuses to the office as well as to select third-party work order providers. There are also screens for recording service history and viewing previous service history on a given job site, as well as viewing equipment installed on a job site and recording history notes on specific pieces of equipment. The field user can also record a list of billable items and or materials used on a particular job. And the technician can then also wrap up the job by selecting a status that will be communicated back to the office or again to a potential third-party work order provider, collect payment information, capture a signature, email a receipt and or invoice to the customer, and then finally finish the job and send all the information collected back to the office. This is the myServiceForce iOS app for myService Pro and myService Apprentice. Use it to increase your field service productivity.